Many Sony Bravia TV owners wonder if they can directly install the Spectrum TV app on their smart TV. Unfortunately, the answer is not straightforward. As of late 2023 and throughout 2024, the Spectrum TV app is generally not directly available for download on Sony Bravia smart TVs via the Google Play Store. This means when you search for apps on your TV, you likely won't find the Spectrum TV app. But don't worry, there are several effective workarounds to access Spectrum TV on your Sony Bravia. The primary method involves using external streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. These devices connect to your TV's HDMI port. Here's how Roku devices can be connected. You can either plug a Roku stick directly into the HDMI port or use an HDMI cable to connect a Roku box to your TV's HDMI port. The Amazon Fire TV stick follows a simple three-step setup. Plug it into the HDMI port, connect it to power, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can download the Spectrum TV app directly onto the device. Another effective option is casting or mirroring from a smartphone, tablet, or computer using Chromecast or AirPlay. This involves installing the Spectrum TV app on your mobile device and then sending the content to your TV. While it's possible that Spectrum could release an Android TV-compatible app in the future, since Sony TVs use the Android TV operating system, for now these workarounds are the most reliable solutions for accessing Spectrum TV on your Sony Bravia. In summary, while the Spectrum TV app isn't directly available on Sony Bravia TVs, using external streaming devices or casting from mobile devices provides reliable access to your Spectrum TV content. The most reliable way to get Spectrum TV on your Sony Bravia is using a streaming device. You have three excellent options: Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Here are the 4 simple steps. First, connect your streaming device to any HDMI port on your Sony TV. Second, select the corresponding HDMI input using your TV remote. Third, access the App Store on your streaming device and search for Spectrum TV. Fourth, download the app and log in with your Spectrum account. Method 2 is casting from your mobile device. This works great if you already have the Spectrum TV app on your phone or tablet. The third method is mirroring from your computer using a web browser. This is perfect if you prefer watching on a larger screen while browsing on your computer. Here are some important tips for the best experience. Make sure you have a stable internet connection with at least 10 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Enable location permissions for the Spectrum TV app to access all your available channels, especially when you're away from your home network. If you experience any issues, try restarting your devices or reinstalling the app.